Production of bulk solid materials is dependent on expensive capital equipment, often optimized to produce multiple products on the same line. These systems can make numerous products, including varying particle sizes, dimensions, and other characteristics. A good example of this is pet food production. This video will help you understand the use of recipe files to manage multiple product lines using the Sentry SBC Controller. To begin, remove the micro SD card from the PLC and place it in your computer, either directly or with a adapter.
Once you've placed the micro SD card in your PC, you can open the Excel spreadsheet file. And then within that file, you can rename the recipe files to indicate the product that you're using, such as cat food 1 or cat food 2. So you can do this for all 10 of them that are in here as you see fit. And then from there, you can go ahead and change any of the setting parameters for the operation of the sampler accordingly. And you would want to reference the IOM and the sequence of operations for your sampler to determine which set points you're going to use. And then you'll save that to that file. And then once saved, you can eject the file and move the micro SD card back to the PLC.
After you have loaded a program onto a mini SD card, it is now time to load it onto your Sentry SBC controller. To begin loading, turn the power off to your controller and place the micro SD memory card into the memory slot located on the rear of the OCS in the top right-hand corner. You do not want to lose this card, as if it falls behind the OCS, you will have a very difficult time. To avoid this situation, a SD card extension or a little piece of tape, as shown here, is recommended. Once inserted fully, turn the power.
Once you've reinserted the micro SD card, switching between the different sampling schemes via the recipe files is as easy as going into the options menu, pressing enter, going down to recipe, pressing enter, and then you go into the load recipes screen. It will pull up the list of the recipes that you had just created and modified. You can then arrow down to whichever recipe you wish, press enter, it will load that one, and then you can go back to the main menu and proceed operating the sampler